Most investors have done systematic transaction SIP and have also got benefited from it. But are there any other systematic transaction that you can look to focus as an investor? We have our financial expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, help us get a brief insights on the types of systematic transaction and also its purpose.
So these are the three options which are possible. See, every month putting money from your bank account to that particular equity fund is what we call it as SIP. STP, what is the difference between SIP and STP? Is in STP, what you do, you have a lump sum. You don't want to keep it idle in the bank. Instead, you park it in a debt fund, and from there you give a SIP every month, right? So you are that lump sum also earns some interest, and this entire lump sum is not invested in one go. It is invested over a period of time. That is what we call it as systematic transfer plan. And the last option is, for example, if you have accumulated money for 10, 15 years and you want a regular cash flow, that is when you use the systematic withdrawal plan. Say, for example, you invested 5,000 for almost 20, 25 years in an equity fund. You accumulated a good corpus of, let's say, 1 crore or 2 crore, right? Now you have retired and you want to withdraw from this. Let's say you want to withdraw 1 lakh every month. You can do this 1 lakh withdrawal every month from that fund. So that is what we call it as SWP. So there are tax advantages in doing SWP rather than going for a dividend option, which we'll see here. So always go for a growth option. Don't go for a dividend option because dividend is taxable in the hands of investor. So I will never suggest anyone to go for dividend option. Better you go for growth option and do the SWP, the systematic withdrawal plan, right? People are smart enough these days. Up to 1 lakh, there is no tax on equity profits, right? So every year they may withdraw 1 lakh so that you need not pay any tax. So all this is possible. Second question which people ask me is, Buzz, what is the difference between regular and direct? Obviously, regular means you're coming through advisor, direct means you're going direct. So unless you are competent enough to manage everything, I will not suggest a direct plan. It is always good to have an advisor so that he can manage your emotions, he can guide you, he can keep updating you and ensure that you don't make those basic investment mistakes. So that's where I would prefer an advisor. So that is the difference between a regular and a direct plan.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.